After just one night in Oklahoma, we're back on the road again.
But not before replacing our tires after a scary near blowout.
We thought the biggest surprise of the day was already behind us until we pulled up to a gas station charging $6.35 a gallon.
Now we're trying to make up some miles and wondering, will we make it through one state today or can we cross two?
Buckle up because this travel day is already getting expensive and unpredictable.
So stick around.
We made it!
We made it!
Now we're in Missouri. So now we're in Missouri.
I'm gonna do the Sigma face.
Maybe we're in Missouri. We just paid $4.89 at QT, and I'm pretty sure that's the cheapest we paid.
Yeah.
Spending $85 at QT. Our grand total is $921.66.
So y'all, if you haven't liked or subscribed, please do. Try and help us continue to grow and continue to do the things that we do. We truly appreciate it. Can't wait to see you guys on the road. But we're almost to our destination. So I can't spend too much more money today. This is going crazy.
To 1 million subscribers.
We want 1 million subscribers.
We're gonna get there, son. We're gonna get there.
We just filled up and almost to St. Louis for $5.59. We couldn't find anything cheaper, so we didn't want to run out of gas. We're like right on the cusp of making it, but we don't want to run out of gas. So we only have 78 miles left till we get there. But
And yes, I am wearing a hoodie. I have not been in the cold forever, man. 47 degrees right now. I am still wearing my shorts. I had to throw on the hoodie. To put some fuel. So $81.
$5.59, $81 got us a half a tank when we still had a little bit. So yay!
We have like
Yay.
a quarter of a tank left.
We'll update you guys on how much we've spent in 2 seconds. Guess what we're at now, babe?
Probably $1,000 now. A little bit over.
$1,000, $1,002.66.
Lovely. This is really going to take some time to re-get this back.
That's with the box of diesel the box of diff that we bought for $15.95. Houston has not put it in yet.
No, but I do need it.
He's about to put it in. So we've only been through. It was full when we left. Our diff was full.
We filled it up. We added another box, filled it up, right?
Our diff was full before we even left. We didn't even have to do anything. Now you're about to add the box.
Yep.
So
So on Chevy, it goes through a regen. This is, I think, maybe my second one this trip. But that's how you know you're going through a regen. I don't blow through diff like that. I went from 490 to 430. But we're climbing. It's hot. Or it's cool outside, but my truck's hot. So I'm going to just keep making it work and burn it up real quick and see if I can clear it out and get all that soot out of there. But I don't think my truck really has regen since being in Arizona.
we made it to Illinois.
We made it to Chicago. We're in Illinois.
No, not Chicago.
Chicago, Illinois, no?
But we're not in Chicago.
We're not in Chicago, Illinois, but we're in Illinois.
Yeah, we made it to Illinois.
We made it to Illinois, guys. I don't know. I guess I can't say it unless I say Chicago. I don't know why. It's weird. But yeah, we're here. We got a little bit left to go. Like how many miles left?
7.
Yeah, 7. Guys, we got 7 miles left to go. I'm hoping to get this thing just unhooked, open up the slides, and hook up the power.
Yep. Go get some food.
Maybe sit down for 2 seconds and then go get food. But maybe not even sit down. Maybe just get it unhooked so I can go get food and then, you know what I mean?
Yep.
I don't know. We're hungry, guys. It's been a long day. We drove 5 hours today. We left at 12 and it's 6:33 now. So I don't know. We left. That's when we left. And so it's been a long day. We're gonna take you guys to go eat and kind of finish up the night, wrap it up, and maybe settle down tonight. Like I don't know. We're tired. So we'll catch up with you guys in a minute. Let's crush these last 7 and see you in a few. Bam!
We didn't expect it to be downpouring like this, that's for sure.
No.
It's cold. Almost unhooked, thank God. Freaking cold.
Man, I am not used to this at all.
It was 56 degrees in here when we came in.
I don't think it's ever been 56 degrees in my house.
This is kind of a tight KOA. Tighter than we're used to, that's for sure.
Ain't
Good.
that the thing?
Good? Is that good enough? It's gonna close, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just making sure I did it right.
You did.
Cool, let's go.
Look at that car. It's a cheeseburger.
Yeah, come over here.
Look, he keeps crying. Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
Well, they have a heater running out here. That's
I
good.
would eat outside if it wasn't freaking
Freezing.
Oh, look at it. You get a brownie.
It's so cold.
It's cold.
Go ahead.
Go.
Brownie.
Yeah.
Like what?
Dad, mommy got. This has some more cream on it.
What'd you get?
I got a freaking beating.
That's cool, babe. Chili relleno burger was phenomenal.
What are you guys doing here?
Eating a phenomenal milkshake.
What, babe?
Eating my phenomenal milkshake.
We're here at High Point in St. Louis. This is a different location than we normally go to. It's still good. High Point is High Point, I think. I'm not complaining. I could eat probably about 3 of these burgers right now. And that's the bad thing. They're just so good, so delicious, and we definitely enjoy our time here in St. Louis. So if you guys are ever in the area, come stop by High Point. I mean, it's kind of a weird theme or whatever, but it's worth it. So until then, like, subscribe to our friends. Thank you guys for hanging out with us, making it to St. Louis. And, thanks for safe travels and a good trip. I mean, it was. This is banana. I really don't like banana. Thank you.
You don't like banana?
You know, I don't like banana, but that thing is so delicious, so good. And that's why we continue to come to High Point, because this is where the best happens, man. I mean, it's kind of weird, but you get it.
No! Look what that sign said, no camera.
Houston found us diesel in downtown St. Louis for $5.29, which is a miracle because it's either $6 or $5.49. So 20 cents cheaper.
$5.59.
20 cents cheaper.
$5.89.
I'll take it.
I guess I'm just so used to tapping that I'm not used to not. I can't believe we got it.
Hey, it's still cheaper. Over there it was $5.49, right? In Arizona?
Yeah. And the one we were going to do was still more than this one, right?
There was a $6.
$6.69, I think, or I don't know, guys. I'm excited that we got fuel right now at $5.29. This is crazy. But let's get filled up, hang out here in St. Louis, spend a few hours, and see you guys in a bit. So we're here, and the pump stopped at $75 the first time. So we had to tap and run the card again. So let's see what it does this time. The receipt, we got the receipt, it's in there, and we have one angry baby. And we're currently looking for some more something to eat, right? We got all these things going on today. So much to do with so little of time, but what's going on, everybody? We're here at St. Louis Northeast KOA. It's kind of in Illinois, so we get that sticker today. I'm gonna go see if one of these kids want to help me put it on. But we stayed here 2 nights, and we're continuing our adventure east. Papa, would you like to help me put on the sticker?
Yeah. I like to do it. Yeah, probably. I want to do something.
What do you want to do? Come on, let's go put on the sticker.
Take the time.
Come on.
Take the time. Take the time. Take the time. Take the time. Take the time.
Come on, Papa. Oh, wow. You watch Sissy do it. Now you want to. How about you go like this? How about we put you on Dad's shoulders?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Got him up there. Let's clean it off. Hold on, Papa. Clean it. Ugh. Like that.
Then I want to put it on. Hey. Hey, boy.
Hey, boy. What's up, boy?
Is he trying to put on this sticker, boy?
Want me to help you?
Yeah, please, Mommy.
I want to do it. I want to do it.
So we just need a camera woman
That's
or
it.
somebody.
Ready? Go.
Hold on.
Let Daddy start it. Now go.
Now you
Now
do
go.
it. Now you do
Go
it.
like this. No, 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 no. Like this.
See, now we got.
See, now we got Illinois on. Oh, you didn't do it? You did it, Papa.
You did it. Give me a high five.
Yay, Tiviano.
Uh-huh.
Now you're mad.
Why are you so mad?
You do it, babe.
Now we got Illinois on. As you can see, Silviano's a little salty. I don't know why, but today's gonna be a good day.
Remember last time he tried to stick New Mexico on the side of our camper?
Yeah.
He doesn't understand yet. He did it, boy.
He just wants to stick a sticker anywhere.
Yeah.
So if you have a sticker that you want us to put, maybe we'll put it on. Now we got Illinois on, just like that. If you guys have been here, look at all the states that we have been to, all the places that we've been
In 2
together
years?
in 2 years. Yeah, it's been amazing. If you guys are been here from the beginning or whatever, we truly appreciate it. And yeah,
We might have a couple more in store.
we have something more. So until then, like, subscribe, show our friends, don't miss out, hit that follow button. Because we are a family of 7. We travel full time. And we do things people really don't like to do.
Bye, KOA. See you later.
Bye, Tayway. See you later. We turn back. See you later.
We never thought that in Illinois that would be the highest gas prices. $6.29, $6.35, $6.35 for diesel, and $4.75 for unleaded. Crazy. And Illinois too is crazy because Illinois is like farm country, trucker country, crazy, right, babe?
Yeah, but what I'm thinking is not a lot of people have made their trips this year. A lot of people have canceled their trips.
Yeah.
We're still hitting. We're like 5 states in, 4 states in right now, and
Oh, we're almost there.
we're almost there. We're cruising.
We almost
Crushed this last 12 hours and we're there.
We got 12 hours to crush. Until then, maybe like, subscribe, help us out because these diesel prices are crazy. And anything that you guys do contributes to our channel in any way, in some way, whether you watch it, like it, subscribe, share it, that all contributes, and we truly appreciate it. So let's go.